Today we are learning how we can make these beautiful title slides in Canva using the picture library and some nice title effects to create a more dynamic and rich experience for your audience. Let's start from the home page in Canva and go to the Presentations tab and click on Blank Presentation. This gives us a blank sheet to start from. Next, you want to go to the Elements tab, and here in Search Elements we type in Athlete. This gives us a bunch of graphics and pictures. In the photos, we want to select whichever one we want. Let's go for the one on the top right, and let's expand it to the full screen, or so it fills the entire screen. We want to right-click, duplicate this page, and then on the duplicate version, select the picture, edit photo, and here we want to add the background remover. And this will do quite a clean job of cutting out the athlete from the picture. Let's go back to the first one and add some text on the slide. Let's add a title and let's type in the word athlete. We can hold the corner and then scale it to the size that we want. If you're working on a Mac, you can hold the Option key, change the font color to white. Here we go. And let's also add some effect to the word. Let's add some shadow effect. That way we can make it jump out from the background a little bit more. Now we want to go to the second page and copy the image, so Ctrl+C, and then paste it on top of the first image. Now just make sure that everything aligns nicely, and this way we have the cutout of the runner on top of the text, so the letters are in between the two pictures. And this gives us quite a nice effect to start your presentation with. Now, of course, this can be done with multiple pictures. So let's start from a new page and look for some other elements. Maybe let's do a plant, see what we can find here in the photos section. And let's look for something that is growing. This looks quite nice. Let's increase the size so it fits the entire slide. Again, right click, duplicate the page, select the image, edit photo, remove background, and this way it cuts it out. Let's go to the text tab, add in title, and maybe let's type in growth if you want to show your numbers or the growth of your numbers for your business. Again, add effects, and you can add a nice lift or a shadow, position it wherever you like, copy the previous existing picture, and then paste it on top. Now it's hard to select the text, so if you want to get around that, you can edit the photo, crop, and here we can crop the edges. Let's do that right above the border of the plants. And this way we can easily select our text and move it around afterwards if we need to. Now there's one more thing that I want to show you, and let's add a new page, elements, and here let's look for a picture of Earth, for example. And we want a nice picture with the Earth fully in the center. Edit photo, let's crop it to 16:9 first. The aspect ratio of the slide, fill the entire screen, duplicate the page. On the second one, we want to edit photo, remove background. This cuts out the shape of the Earth. Let's already crop the shape of the Earth so we don't have the margins. That's why it's easier to select afterward. Go to the first one. Let's add some title text. Let's call this Earth. Increase the size. It can be quite large and it can have some overlap. Let's change the color to white. Now let's paste the Earth on top of the picture. Copy our text one more time. And then on the second layer, we want to add an effect and only add the outline of the word. And this way, if we select the wording, the Earth is kind of moving in between of the layers, which is kind of a nice effect that we want to create. So let's remove these slides in between and give a nice transition and select the slide. Add transition, and let's add a nice stack transition to the slide. Increase the duration so it's about 1.9 seconds, and let's preview what we have created. And now you know how to make these beautiful opening slides in Canva using images and nice text titles in a more dynamic and interesting way for your audience. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.